Hello friends, welcome to our channel Medical Bazaar. Today we will show you the demo of acco Longwave Therapy machine. It comes with a carry bag, gel bottle, electrode and handle. Before starting the demo video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the demo now. Switch on the machine. Attach electrode and handle. It has two modes, continuous and pulse. You can set the parameters as per your requirement. Currently it is on manual. Timer. You can change the timer. Timer up, timer down. You can change the modes, continuous, pulse. After setting the parameters, you can press start. This electrode, the patient will hold this electrode and you need to use the gel on the handle and the patient body before using the machine. Now we will show you how to set the parameters, how to set the protocols. It has 20 inbuilt protocols. You need to stop the machine. It is currently on manual. This is program 1, 2, 3. You can set the programs as per your requirement and then press start. After that, increase the intensity as per your requirement. Intensity up, intensity down. Once the treatment is completed, press stop. Switch off the machine. Clean the handle properly. You can also buy this machine online at MedicalBazzar.com. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. The demo is completed.